Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aastha here. So today in this video, we are going to make a geometric calculator in code.org app lab. So let's begin with the designing. In the designing, we are having the screen ID, that is screen 3 main screen. The background color is pink. Now we have taken a button that is triangle area. It is written in a short form, the T area. Okay. Text is nothing. We are having a width 285, height 165. X position is 110, Y position is 25. The text color is blue. Okay. Let's change it yellow. Now the background color is transparent, as you guys can see. The area, the font size is 14. The font family is Arial. Text alignment is center. The image ID or URL is given here. You can also take the image from the Google. Okay, now the border width is 0 pixel. Border color is black. That's it. Now in the next image, we are going to have the button 1 S area. Okay. It is also a short form. So now the text is nothing. Width is 285, height is 120 pixel, X position is 15, Y position is 200, text color is white, background color is transparent, font family, rest all the things are same. So let's move on to the next image or button. So now the button 3 is S perimeter. Now we are the width is 285, height is 120, X position is 15, Y position is 330, text alignment is white, background color is transparent, and rest all the things are same. So let's move on to the triangle screen. Okay, the S for square. Let's change the background color first. Yellow. Okay. Now the height is, so basically we are taking a new screen. The screen ID is screen 1 triangle. Now maybe in my video the screens are not showing, so you guys can see here is an arrow. When you're going to click an arrow, then we are going to have some of the options: new screen, import screen, and screen 1 or whatever we have written the ID. Okay, so by clicking on the new screen we can get the another new screen. Okay, so in my video it is not showing, but I'm telling you. So now we have taken a text input. The ID is text underscore input to underscore triangle height. It is basically for the height, and the triangle is going to be drawn here when we are going to run this app. Now the placeholder is height. We are giving a type of hint that what you have to write in it. Okay. Now the width is 80, height is 30, X position is 130, Y position is 90, text color is black, background color and all the things are same. Now let's move on to the next text input, that is base. Okay, so now the ID is text underscore input 3 underscore triangle base. Now the placeholder is base. Width is 50 pixel, height is 30 pixel, X position is 130, Y position is 310, text color and all the things are same. So now let's move on to the square screen. Now the square screen ID is square to screen. Screen to square. Let's change the background color. I have changed the background color from blue to yellow. Now let's have a look on the text input. So we are having a text input for the length. Text underscore input 1 underscore square length. Placeholder length width 60 pixel, height 30 pixel, X position 130, Y position 310, text color black, and rest all the things are same. Now we are taking another text input, that is text underscore input and 4 underscore square area. Placeholder is nothing. If you're going to write anything, let's suppose write area. So it's going to show here. Okay, so this is what the basically placeholder is used for. Width is 200, height is 30, X position is 65, Y position is 360. And now rest all the things are same. Let's move on to the another text input. Now the ID is text input 5, square perimeter, placeholder is blank, width is 200 pixel, height is 30, X position is 65, Y position is 410, rest all the things are same. So we have done our designing. Let's move on to the code. So firstly, it is a little bit typical code. So we are learning something new, that is turtle. So from the turtle, we are learning something new. Okay. So firstly, uh, you will get these images from the Google, whether you can take from the another platform. Okay. Turtle. So from the turtle we are using. So now basically in the turtle is used for the drawing something. Okay. So turtle, it's basically a R type. To use the turtle, use the arrow keys on your keyboard and click the buttons on the screen to try the various features. So it's basically a type of pencil, or we can say. Okay, so now let me tell you the code. So it is basically new, so you have to must be concentrate on this video. So let's quickly understand it. So firstly, we're having a set screen 3. Firstly, we are setting the screen to the main screen. Now on event triangle, button 1 triangle area. So this is the button 1 triangle area. When this button triangle area is going to click, then we are going to navigate it or set the screen to the triangle. So let's move on to the triangle screen. Here we are going to move on the here. Now here is a function that is written triangle. Let me tell you. So firstly, what you have to do, listen. In the functions, we will not get this triangle. Okay, we have to write it by your own. Alright, so this is what the whole function is we have coded. So let me quickly make it, put it here that you guys can understand. Now firstly, when we are going to click on the triangle area, so it's going to set the screen to the screen 1 triangle. Now we are having a function name that is triangle. Firstly, in the line number 6, function triangle, we are taking this block from the functions. Okay, so from the turtle we are taking a pen up block. So here is a pen up block, that the pen is going to be up. Now because if we are going to not to do this pen up, then what is going to happen is we are going to do these things and it's going to show. So we have to not to do that. Firstly, we have to turn right to the 90 degree. We have to turn 90 degree. Then the pen color is whatever you want to choose, you can choose. Okay, suppose I have taken this hashtag double F and 4 times 0. Okay, now move to 60 degree, 60 and 300. These are the X and Y position. Okay, then the pen width is going to be 7. Pen down. Then we are going to use this for loop. Okay, so this we are going to get this from here. Okay, now this is basically a for loop that firstly we are having the starting position, middle position, and plus plus. Okay, it's going to increase by one like this. So we are having a variable I is equal to 1, then I, then this block is already, you have to do nothing in it. You have to just to take this block, and then you have to only change the value that I is equal to 1. Okay, now we have to move forward to the 200 pixel. Okay, we are going to move to the 200 pixel, then we are going to turn left to the 120 degree. Okay, so here we are having the 120 degree. Now we have to hide it. The turtle is going to hide. Okay, that's it. Now let me show you this. So I'm clicking on the run. Let's click on it. So you can see the whole code is only for this triangle. We can also choose an image, but we are not choosing that because we have to learn these codes. That's why we are learning something new. So I'm going to write 23, and then the base is going to be 23. So now area is 264.5. The answer is okay. So this app is basically for the students. Okay, now let's move on to the next. So yes, these two codes, we can take this code. Both codes are used for the square. We are taking one code and we are using it from in the two things. Okay. So now on event, when button to square area is going to click this one, then set the screen to the screen to square. Now we have written the function name square. The word the function is, let's see, the pen up, then the turn right to the 90 degree. Pen color is going to be something like this. Now we have to move to 60 and 300. The pen width is 7. Now the pen down, and then we are using this uh, block for loop. So now here the I, and then we have to write 5. Now move forward 200, turn left by 90 degree, and then we have to hide it. Now the next is on event, when the square perimeter is going to click, means when we are going to click on this perimeter, we set the screen to the screen to square. Okay, the same thing we are going to do, but with something new. Both codes are same, but the on event ID is only changed. Now let's learn all the formulas of these. So function, triangle, area, whatever spelling you have written, you must have to put it, otherwise uh, your code is going to be show an error. So don't do like that. You have to be careful for this. Now function triangle area. The function triangle area, be careful about the spelling. I'm saying again and again, because if you are going to not to be concentrated on the spelling, so it will not run, it is going to show an error, so be careful. Now return. So from the functions we are going to take, okay, here is the return block at the last second. Now we are going to take firstly a multiplication block. So let me do the same. So I'm going to show you the same code. Then we have to take a multiplication block. Let's take it. Okay, now we are going to take a block that is going to be something 0. Okay, we are going to take a multiplication block, then 0.5, then get number, and then text input 3 triangle base. Okay, here it is. Now as like the same, we have to take it, and that's it. Now text input triangle 3, triangle base is multiplied by triangle height. That's it. Now in the square area, we are going to take square length multiplied by square length. In the perimeter, we have to multiply it by 4 multiplied square length. Now on event text input 3, triangle base input, when we are going to put the something on that text input, so set text input triangle area, so it's going to show that area is, and whatever the result is going to come. Now console.log triangle area, it's also a new code. We can get this code from the variables. You have to search it, console.log, and then triangle area. Now we have to do the same thing with the square length also. When the square length is going to input, set text to the square area, then area is a square area. Now now here we are going to take set text text input 5 is square perimeter. Now the perimeter is square perimeter. Console.log square area and square perimeter. Let's see whether it is working or not. So I am going to write here 45. So now area is 2025, perimeter is 120. It's showing the same things, but there is no issue. So I am writing here 32, 33, and then 2. It's going to be 33. So our app is working perfectly. And let me tell you one thing. Suppose we are taking this triangle area, so you have to copy this spelling and you have to paste it directly without making mistake. It's the very good thing, copy and pasting. So that's it for today's video. I have also renamed this project as geometric calculator. If you want to share me this application, you can also just copy this link and paste it on the Telegram group. The Telegram group link is given in the description. Join my Telegram group, and if the people who are going to give me this app link, I will give them a big shout out to them in my videos. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If yes, so give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. I will soon meet in my next video. Till that, take care and bye bye. Have a great day.